What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove limits from PayPal account. So you might be wondering how to exactly remove the limitations that may have been applied into your PayPal account. Well, this one is actually pretty easy. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to access your PayPal account. So go to paypal.com, log into your account, and once you've actually logged in, what you need to do is you want to go and access your profile icon or your name at the top right here. Now you want to go to account settings here, and under account settings, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and access the option here for. Let's go and just wait for it to load up. So yeah, so you want to go ahead and go to the section for account access, and you want to look for a limit. So let's go and click on view. Now from here, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and go to the very bottom here, click on raise limits, and in order for you to raise the limits of your account here, you need to link a bank account. So depending where you are, it might say Australian bank account or US bank account here, but go ahead and just link your banking account details here by following the on-screen steps, and just click on agree and link and wait for them to approve the actual connection process here. Once it's actually connected, that should raise your limits here on your PayPal account. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.